Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling the feature so you don't waste time. Open Settings, go to Control Center and add Screen Recording. This places the button where you need it. Once added, make sure the microphone toggle is available if you plan to narrate. That lets you capture voice over app audio. Also check storage now so recording won't fail mid-capture, free about 100 MB or more. When that's done, swipe to open Control Center and get ready to begin. Now you'll actually start capturing. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and tap the screen record icon. A 3-second countdown begins so you can prepare. If you want narration, long press the icon and turn microphone on, then press Start Recording. This records microphone and app audio together. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is enabled first to prevent notification interruptions. While recording, you'll see a red status. To finish, tap the red status bar and confirm stop, or reopen Control Center and tap the record icon again. Either method saves the clip to Photos automatically. Once saved, open Photos to trim start and end points, add basic edits, and export or share. If you don't hear audio, make sure you enabled microphone before recording and that the app has audio permission. Also verify Focus isn't silencing alerts and you have enough free storage. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.